What I wish I knew at my first kitchen disaster: avocado makes everything better, especially egg salad. The creamy texture of avocado blends so well with the richness of eggs, creating a delightful combination that's both nutritious and satisfying. Hey home cooks, today we're whipping up an easy and delicious egg salad with avocado. This recipe is perfect for those busy days when you want something quick yet healthy. Plus, it's versatile enough to be enjoyed at any time of the day. Trust me, this one's going to be your new favorite. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, you'll find this recipe incredibly simple and rewarding. First, grab 4 hard-boiled eggs and chop them up. Make sure your eggs are perfectly boiled to get that ideal texture. You can boil them the night before to save time in the morning. Not too fine, you want some texture. The chunks of egg will give your salad a nice bite and make it more enjoyable to eat. Then, take a ripe avocado and mash it until it's smooth and creamy. The ripeness of the avocado is key here. It should be soft enough to mash easily but not overly ripe. Now let's bring these ingredients together. The combination of eggs and avocado is not only delicious, but also packed with healthy fats and proteins. In a bowl, combine the chopped eggs with your mashed avocado. Make sure to mix them well so that every bite is filled with both flavors. Add 2 tablespoons of mayo or Greek yogurt, whichever you prefer. Mayo will give it a richer taste, while Greek yogurt adds a tangy twist and keeps it lighter. Throw in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for that extra zing. The mustard adds a subtle kick that elevates the overall flavor of the salad. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to your taste. You can always add more if needed. Mix it all up until it's perfectly blended. You want a smooth, creamy consistency with bits of egg throughout. Look at that creamy goodness. It's not just visually appealing but also incredibly tasty. Next, toast up 2 slices of whole grain bread until they're golden and crispy. Whole grain bread adds a nice crunch and is a healthier option compared to white bread. Spread your egg and avocado mixture generously over the toast. Don't be shy, the more the better. For the final touch, garnish with some fresh herbs like chives or parsley. These herbs not only add a pop of color but also a burst of fresh flavor. Not only does it add a pop of color, but it also makes it look gourmet. Your friends and family will be impressed. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious meal ready in no time. A simple, fresh, and healthy egg salad with avocado. It's perfect for those who are health conscious but don't want to compromise on taste. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. This versatile dish can be enjoyed at any time of the day, making it a great addition to your meal rotation. Give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments. Your feedback is always appreciated and helps me create more recipes you'll love. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Happy cooking! Your support means the world to me and keeps this channel going. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep experimenting in the kitchen and enjoy your culinary adventures.